Hi mga Kaitiera! My name is Hazel D. Gonzalez.
And I am Angela Mi Arizo.
And we're taking
BSED 1B.
And today we're super excited to greet you in different languages.
Did you know that greetings are like little sparks of happiness?
Let's start spreading some joy and positivity together.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Sana ay maging masaya at produktibo ang inyong araw.
Good morning! I hope you're all feeling energized and ready to conquer new challenges today.
Maayong buntag sa tanan, amping mo og paglingaw sa inyong adlaw.
Naibaga bigat ka na kayo amin, ragsak ka namnamay ti aldaw yu tata.
See? Greetings are more than just words. They connect us, brighten our day, and show respect. Isn't it amazing how simple hello can travel across cultures?
Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep greeting people warmly and spreading positivity wherever you go.